Hello, PyCon India, and greetings from Nashville, Tennessee. Well, my name is Evan Smith, and I'm here to propose a talk called Getting Started with Python. I've given this talk 3 different times so far. The first one was at Tennessee in March this year, and it was a 1 hour workshop. The second time was August 7th this year, and that was a 2 hour workshop at a local high school, virtually, of course. And then just this week, I gave this workshop in a 3 hour version at Codepalooza out of Louisville, Kentucky, which was also virtual. So what we want to do in this workshop is we want to do one of two things. We want to either give people who have zero programming experience some ways to get into programming using Python. The other thing we would like to do is if you have experienced developers who have never used Python, we want to get them using Python. And I do offer compelling reasons for either scenario and why to choose Python. So let's just talk about what we do in this workshop. First, we go over the prerequisites. We spend very little time on this because hopefully all the attendees have looked at the prerequisites before the workshop. But it does give me an opportunity to help someone get going so they can code along with me if they're stuck on something in the prerequisites. The next thing we do is we go over using Visual Studio Code as an integrated development environment. I like Visual Studio Code because it can run on any platform, so it doesn't exclude anyone. We go over creating files, the .py file extension, and then we go into simple functions, the print function, and we continue to variables, strings, different string operations. By the end of the workshop, we have a fully working POS application, and it actually uses the new CSV library from Python to read items and users from CSV files, and has user authentication, very, very basic, simple user authentication. And you can edit your inventory and sell things, and there's quite a bit of interesting narrative around that. So that's my workshop. I hope you enjoy this pitch, and I hope you select it. Thank you very much.